one of the guys at work,
Yeah.
whenever he comes into my office, it's like, it goes there. Today, he told my boss he wanted to file a sexual harassment complaint against me. And then I said, well, I suppose I should get a picture of you for proof. And I said,
Okay, like we can't put any of this into the episode,
I
so.
said, bend over. Welcome to What's Cooking. I'm Raquel. As you know, this is Matt. And we have a very special guest, mi amiga,
April.
April. I work with her at Hope's Home and she
What is mi amiga?
my friend.
Oh, I thought that was her name.
Okay, and she's going to make a delicious dish called
The very famous pancit.
Pancit.
Yeah. No, it's not famous because you don't know it.
A pancit?
Yeah.
So what kind of meat is it?
So we have lean. It's actually like a pork belly. So I divided the lean part and the fatty part.
Okay.
If that's how you want to call that.
Okay.
Question,
Yes.
is this skin?
This, it has skin. Oh, are you okay having like a skin on it?
No, it's fine. I want to have an authentic experience.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Okay.
so it when the skin will be exposed to the oil,
Yes.
it will be a little bit crunchy.
Okay.
So that will give
Oh.
a different texture to the pancit. So that's why
Okay.
I don't want to take that away.
Okay,
I
yeah,
want you
let's
guys
do
to
it.
experience that.
Yes.
So yeah. So we have
Pork. Okay.
pork fat, we have lean pork, we have
Onion,
onions
garlic,
and garlic,
Okay.
we have shrimp,
Carrot?
we have
Carrots.
carrots, yeah,
green beans,
Green onion.
and green onions,
Yeah.
broccoli.
broccoli, cabbage.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
so
it.
technically the broccoli is more of a Canadian adaptation to.
Oh.
Then I don't want it in there.
Yeah, okay. We can.
No, we can.
I mean, we can have the option of taking it out, or yeah. So I'm gonna put the oil. It might.
Okay.
It should be in a good
And
temperature.
you
This
just
is a
guesstimate how much?
I don't want to put lots because this is just to
Okay.
for the
So like
for the
a
pork.
fair, good coverage on the bottom of the.
Yes, for the pork fat not to stick to this pan. So
This is the biggest pot. Well, actually, this is not the biggest pot I own.
yes.
The biggest pot I own is downstairs, and I need 3 people to bring it up.
Okay, so I'm gonna start
It's a
frying.
plant.
So I'm gonna start frying this.
Man! The sizzle tells it's working.
Okay, so I'm very tiny and I need to see this. So I probably,
I kind of have to do that too, so.
so I probably be needing extra chairs to just see what's going on.
Cooking.
Cooking, frying, and taking all the fats out. Like just taking the oil and
And
making
that's
it
just so you can get
crunchy.
that extra bit of meat.
Yes.
And
You
take
like
off-
that extra bit of meat.
Yeah, always.
I don't normally see you guys having like fat part in your meat here,
No.
and that is for me disappointing.
Oh,
I mean, this is the best part of the meat, you guys.
We do have bacon though. That's pretty.
Bacon.
Yeah, that's probably the fattest thing we can have here.
Yeah.
So this is like the normal thing that we do. Like we put fat. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we put the fat, we take half of it at least out and still enjoy the rest of the other half of it.
here's a jar.
Is that a jar? Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa.
When?
Cool.
Okay, riddle me this. When is a door not a door?
When is a door not a door?
When it's a jar.
When nobody comes.
Oh.
It's still a door.
If it comes along.
Story of my life.
Okay, let's drain this out.
This works good as a microphone, you guys.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I have a joke.
What's your
Good one.
What's your joke?
Yeah. Okay, it's gonna be hot. So. Okay, so it's usually not this dangerous if I do it in my face, because I'll just better Okay.
Okay.
Go away. So we have a little bit of oil left in here, and that all should be enough.
Okay. Nope, did not like the smell of that.
It's good.
Chug, chug,
Chug, chug, chug. Okay, so we have a little bit of oil left in here,
Okay.
so that's technically the pork oil. So now we're gonna use that to
Pork oil? Nickname in high school.
porky poink. So we're gonna use that to fry this red onions and garlic.
Why red onions?
It's more flavorful.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So in the Philippines, we barely have any other kind of onion. Like we don't.
Sweet onion.
Is it?
Yeah.
That is to keep the moisture.
Keep the moisture.
And the flavor in there.
Yeah.
We
The
don't want
meat-
them to
The meat
evaporate.
stays better lubricated when it's moist.
Matt!
That's what she told us.
Can you see what he does?
Prominent.
I understand.
So in the Philippines, I've heard that you guys have banana ketchup.
Yes! And it's one
Okay.
of the best things in the world. And we have that here in Superstore actually.
Interesting. And okay.
Yeah.
My mom has some.
Hey, is it,
But I think
is it
it's too
gross?
old.
Is it gross?
No, it's good.
I think it's old though, because when it was all one piece of jelly.
Nope. Nope.
Is it
It's-
supposed to be the consistency of ketchup, or is it supposed to be like
Yeah.
Jello in a bottle?
It's almost the same as the ketchup here. It's just that it's sweeter. It's just a little bit sweeter and a little bit of sour on it. Yeah, there's not that big of a difference when it comes to consistency and oh well, you guys like the usual ketchup that we have is more liquefied kind of thing.
Yes.
That
And
the
yours
banana
is more like
ketchup is more
jelly.
like you need to for you guys for it to come out.
The rice vermicelli.
The vermicelli.
Awesome.
I'll try to put.
April, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for taking the time to come here. I know there's lots of other things you could be doing.
And we'd also like to take this time to thank our audience at home on Facebook and or at YouTube
YouTube.
for taking the time to join us. There's a lot of things you could be doing, probably should be doing.
Really productive things. Please like, subscribe. You can check out our other videos. Check us out on Facebook.
All right. Click on one of our other videos just over here. Like Raquel will be blocked, and this is the main attraction in here. So click on another one.
Click.
Click.
Boop.
Okay, good.
Okay.